Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you, my friends? How are you? I'm so happy to be with you again. And welcome to English for Fun.
Hello everyone. My name is Teacher Alice and welcome to our weekly lesson. And before we start, let's make sure that your hearing ears are on. Mine's on and yours? Are your ears on? Can you hear me? Good. Now make sure that your looking eyes are on. Are your eyes on? Can you see well? Excellent. So let's start. Let's start with days of the week. Can you tell me what day is it today? Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Yesterday it was Friday. And after Friday it's Saturday. So today is Saturday. Repeat after me. Today is Saturday. Can you spell it? Let's spell it all together. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Today is Saturday. Let's sing the Days of the Week song. Do you remember our Days of the Week song? If you don't worry. If you don't want to sing, you can just clap your hands. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! There is Sunday and then Monday. There is Tuesday and then Wednesday. There is Thursday and then Friday. And there is Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Well done, and let's sing it again. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! There is Sunday and then Monday. There is Tuesday and then Wednesday. There is Thursday and then Friday. And there is Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Excellent! Good job! So today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Let's move on. And the next stop is the number of the week. And the number of this week is number 6. 6. Repeat after me. 6. 6. Can you spell it? Let's spell it together. S-I-X. S-I-X. 6. 6. Can you tell me how many balls can you see? I can see 6 balls. How many cars can you see? I can see 6 cars. How many dolls can you see? I can see 6 dolls. How many girls can you see? I can see 6 girls. How many boys can you see? I can see 6 boys. Let's repeat it again. 6 balls, 6 cars, 6 dolls, 6 girls, and 6 boys. Excellent! Now let's move on. And our next stop is what is the weather today? What is the weather today? Is it sunny today? Yes, it's sunny. Is it rainy today? No, it isn't. Is it windy today? No, it isn't. Is it snowy today? No, it isn't. Is it cloudy today? Yes, it is. It's cloudy. So today is sunny and cloudy. Today is sunny and cloudy. Repeat after me. Today is sunny and cloudy. Excellent, good job. And now let's move on. And our next stop is a new letter. So today we're going to learn a new letter. And the letter of the week is letter F. 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 Let's see some words with letter F. 5. 5. 5. Fox. 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 Fire. 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 Fish. 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 Firefighter. 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 Let's repeat them again. 5. Fox. Fire. Fish. Firefighter. Excellent, good job. And now let's play a game. Now it's game time. Can you find firefighter? Firefighter. Here he is. Here is firefighter. Excellent. Can you find fish? Fish. Here it is. Excellent. Good job. Can you find fire? Fire. Here it is. Excellent. Can you find 5? 5. Number 5. Number 5. It's here in the corner. Excellent. Number 5. Can you find fox? Fox. Here it is. Excellent. Here is fox. Excellent. Good job. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's teacher Alice and English for Fun. See you next week. Bye bye for now.